this whole thing happened, between the U.S. Undersecretary warning, in fact, threatening our ambassador in Washington with dire consequences unless I was removed from power. I don't know how further up, whether it was just the South Asian desk that decided that I was, they didn't like my face and my independent attitude. And my relationship with US, basically we want the same dignified relationship with the US like India. India has a very dignified relationship with the US. India says no to the US. India is importing Russian oil, but because its own public takes its priority. Similarly, I want the same relationship with the US. We want to be partners in peace. We want to sort of, but there are occasions when we should be allowed to say no. We want humans crave to be given respect and dignity. Our relationship with the US has been of a master-servant relationship or master-slave relationship. And we've been used like a hired gun. But that I blame my own governments more than the US. If you're willing to be used like a tissue paper, other governments will use you like that.
But your allegations have, from a US perspective, caused significant damage to the trust and relationship, because obviously they deny them and they say they're false. So how do you mend those relations if you do indeed want to have good ones?
Well, I mean, we, as far as I'm concerned, it's over. It's behind me. But whatever the US desires could not have happened without people here who actively, took part in the conspiracy to get rid of me. So US is not to be blamed in the sense US might have had a desire. They thought I was, I don't know what upset them. Frankly, I don't know were they not used to a prime minister who just wanted to have an independent foreign policy, a dignified foreign policy. Whether that upset them, I don't know what. But it could never have happened until the local guys just played their part in getting rid of me. So answer is, that's behind me. As I said, every country wants to have good relationship with the US. I can just add with a good relationship, a dignified relationship, which has, respect and dignity in it, like India.